Hello everyone, I'm Axel Wittek, and in this video we look at how we store mounting patterns for cabinet symbols. How this works for cable ducts and DIN rails, you can see in another video. For all other assembly symbols it is a little different, and we'll take a look at that now. I will now take the existing symbol of a frequency inverter into the symbol editor as an example. Here at the top we find the green plus sign. And if we expand it, we find drill holes, for example, for the usual 22mm door installation devices. Threads. If the thickness of the underlying element, such as the door or mounting plate, allows, that threads are cut directly into it. Elongated holes. Rectangles for touch panels, for example. Polygons for somewhat more special and asymmetrical cutouts. And also blocked areas to define an area in which no further elements can be inserted. For this symbol of the frequency converter, I will only need drill holes. This symbol is very useful because we can see directly from the corners where we need to drill the holes. If this is not possible with a symbol, it is a good idea to take the manufacturer's data sheet and then derive the position for the drill holes from it. I now select drill hole and specify a size of 4 mm or adopt this here. And this drill hole I now place, of course, in the holes provided. And that's about it with that. Now I save the symbol. Overwrite the existing one. One more note on this. A symbol can of course apply to many items, e.g. frequency inverters are divided into certain sizes, which then only differ in electrical parameters or equipment, but not in the dimensions. As a result, it is possible that you are using a different frequency inverter from the same series that you have just downloaded from the WSCAD universe. Overwrite your modified symbol. Therefore, please always make sure that you do not inadvertently overwrite it. I have gotten into the habit of saving symbols that I have modified in my own libraries anyway, to avoid this problem. Perhaps this is also an idea for you. Alternatively, you can go to the settings, i.e. via Tools, Settings, and the Master Data. You can also uncheck this box. Overwrite local symbol assignment, so that this does not happen. I now open a cabinet page where I have already placed a mounting plate, and I will use Insert Article to insert the article that is linked to the symbol I have just changed. And then we can also see here that this mounting information in the form of drill holes have been added. I will now dispense with further elements in order to keep this as clear and simple as possible, and will now use one of the interfaces. I will now select the Steinhauer ECAB system interface via Interfaces Production. I then transfer my structure as DXF to the export folder of my project directory. And if we now take a look at this file, then we can see here that the essential information, drilling information, has been transferred.